Step 1. Download and extract Samsung Odin to your computer. Step 2. Download and install Samsung drivers. Step 3. Download Samsung firmware. You will find all download links in the description below. Step 4. Boot your Samsung device into download mode. Press power volume down home. Run Odin as administrator. Step 5. Connect your phone to your PC. Connect your device to the computer using a USB cable. You will notice a notification sound when connected, and the Odin software should detect the connected device right away. Make sure that re-partition is not checked. Step 6. Add the Samsung firmware file to Odin. Click on AP and add the firmware file from where you have saved it on your computer. Step 7. Begin flashing the firmware. Press the Start button at the bottom of the application to begin the installation process. Don't touch the USB cable while the firmware is being flashed on your Galaxy device. Step 8. Finishing the firmware flashing process.